Good morning, everybody. It's time for some maths. Today is the 11th of February, 2021, and we are trying to add two-digit numbers. We've got a slight problem to start with. I've got a little ice cream maths problem for you. Mr. Legg is planning his summer holiday to the beach, and I can't stop thinking about having a delicious ice cream, but I have a problem. The ice cream shop with 4 different flavours, but I'm only allowed to have 2 at a time. The flavours are chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and mint. Can you find out how many different combinations I could buy? I can tell you now, there's more than 3. This would be a good chance to pause the video and see if you can work it out. Okay, well done. If you've worked out all of those, I can tell you that there were 6 different combinations that you could have found. Chocolate and strawberry, chocolate and vanilla, chocolate and mint, strawberry and vanilla, strawberry and mint, vanilla and mint. So now adding two-digit numbers. On the board, you can see I've got 17 and I've got 32. The number 17 has got 1 10 and 7 ones, and the number 32, 3 10s and 2 ones. When we're adding numbers, what do we need to do first? Have a little think for me. What do we do first when we're adding two-digit numbers? Well done if you said we add the ones first. Okay, 2 ones plus 7 ones equals 9 ones. Well done if you worked that one out. Okay, and now we've added the ones, what do we need to do next? Well done if you worked out that we need to add the 10s next. 3 10s plus 1 10 equals 4 10s. So our final answer would be 49. Well done if you worked that one out. This time we've got a slightly trickier problem. Our friend Tiny the tortoise is there to help us. He's got 2 numbers. He's got the number 25 and the number 17. And think again, what is the first thing we do when we're adding? We need to add the ones. Again, well done. Okay, so we're going to add the ones together. But this time, when we add them, something strange has happened. We now have more than 10. So 5 ones plus 7 ones equals 12 ones. Can you have a think for me? How many 10s are there in 12? How many ones are there in 12? Well done. If you worked out that we've got 1 10 and 2 ones. It's going to help us to regroup and make our addition a little bit easier. So as you've just seen on the screen, I regrouped my 10 ones into 1 10. Now that should make this problem a little bit easier. Now we've added our ones, we need to add our 10s. 2 10s plus 2 10s equals 4 10s, of course. Hopefully you've worked that one out. And now finding our final answer becomes a lot easier because we can count our 10s up, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we count on in ones, 41, 42. I've got another problem now here too. I'm going to give you a moment just to see if you can work that out before I show you some diagrams. Make it a little bit easier. Mo has 15 carrots. Dora has 12 more carrots than Mo. How many carrots does Dora have? Okay, let's work it out together. So there's Mo with his carrots, and he's got 15 altogether. And we know that Dora has got 15 plus, she's got 12 more than Mo. So we can lay it out in our 10s and 1s chart. That would be really helpful. Something that we can also do with our 10s and 1s chart is draw out our 10s and 1s. We have 5 ones and 2 ones. If we add them together, what would that be all together? Remember our whole number. What would our whole number of ones be? Well done if you worked it out as 7. Okay, and now we need to add our 10s together. 1 10 plus another 10, 10, 20. That gives us 2 10s, and our final answer is 27. And you can see in our bar model at the top there, she has got 27 altogether. This time, we've got a bit of a problem to solve. We've been told how many ones are being added together, Okay, but we don't know how many tens there are. Have a little think to start with. How would you go about working out this one? You could pause the video to see if you can work out an answer yourself. Okay, 5 ones plus 2 ones equals 7 ones, as we can see here with our ones that I've got on the screen. Okay, but now we need to add on our tens, but we don't know how many tens we're adding together. We just know that there are 8 tens altogether. Have a little think. What different ways could we add to make 8 tens? What different ways can we make 8? This is like how we partition a number when we break it up into different ways. We could have 4 tens and 4 tens to make 8 tens. We could have 1 10 and 7 tens. We could have 2 tens and 6 tens. 3 tens and 5 tens. Okay. So there are many different ways we could answer this question to find out what numbers are underneath that blob. So it's now time for you to go and crack on with your maths pages. Find the numbers of the pages on your timetable and give it a go for me here too. I'll be putting the answers to the questions in a separate video. Good luck, have fun, and remember to trust yourselves.